Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep your wash and go as fresh as the day it was done. As you can see, I'm working on day 3 and my curls are still popping. So if you want to know how, keep watching. So first you want to start with 2.5 cups of water. And you want to have your fire on medium heat. And this is 1/4 cup of flaxseed. And this organic whole flaxseed. You want to keep stirring periodically because you don't want the flax seeds to stick at the bottom of the pan. You can see the water starting to thicken. Consistency like that. So you want to go ahead and turn your fire off. And put it off to the side to cool. Once your flaxseed gel has cooled down, what you want to do is take a knee-high or some cheesecloth and you want to wrap it around this measuring cup like this. Then you want to pour your solution in. Once you do that, you want to take this out and bring another bowl in. And squeeze that gel. Like this. There's no special method to doing this. Now I have a 1/2 teaspoonful of peppermint oil and 1/2 teaspoonful of tea tree oil. And I put that in there just to make it smell better, and it's extra nutrients for your hair. Now after you finish that, you want to take it and pour it into another container. Like that. and put the top on. And that's how you make flaxseed gel. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be showing you how I freshened up my curls the next day after using the flaxseed gel. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf off. And you see my hair is all over the place. So what I did was I just took a little bit of water and I sprayed it through my hair. And spraying this water will reactivate that gel that you put into your hair. And you want to go ahead and just give that a fluff like this. And that's pretty much how I do my wash and go routine. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.